Boca rug done. Look at this wonderful detailing Miss Evelyn has done. Gorgeous. So shiny. We have a lot of machine-made fringe here that we offer the clients, but honestly, people aren't buying them. They want it done the right way. As you can see here, Mr. Armin is doing this old antique rug here by hand. Do a beautiful knot on it afterwards. Another one here. We just do this all day long. Rugs come from Naples, Florida, from the Keys, up to Jupiter and beyond. We love doing refringing, reknotting, repairs. Call Oriental Rug Care today. Miss Evelyn, wave to everybody and tell them to bring the rugs.
Bang on a rug.